Let's go ahead and take a look at the Insignia case here. There's not a whole lot here to the unboxing process. So it simply just slides out. It's a silicone case. This was 20 bucks from Best Buy, $19.99 plus tax. So pick that up today. It is recycled silicone. It's not like super flexible. I do like that it has like a hard back here. It's got the felt on the inside. You can go ahead and install is pretty easy. I just wanted to have something on there. I'll probably get something. I know I'm going to get this case from Samsung, but for the Ultra, because I like the Ultra. I mean, because I have the Ultra as well, but I also like that style case because I can put my hand in, be able to easily hold the phone. So yeah, this case feels pretty good. On here it is soft. Buttons are pretty clicky, as you can hear. Volume up and down seems to work. Cutouts up top in the appropriate place. And I'm not doing too much here right now because I don't want to move the phone too far away. But as you can see, cutouts for your mic there in the right spot. It does cover up the 5G antenna though. So if that's of concern to you, if that's something that you're gonna be worried about, it does cover that up. You can easily eject your S Pen. And then as you can see, I already have my USB-C plugged in, and here the speaker is exposed. So everything's looking good on this case. Like I said, it was 20 bucks at Best Buy. If you just need something to quickly get started and you don't want to spend a ton of money, you could certainly check out this case. These are my go-to cases when I'm looking for something that's cheap, that I can quickly pick up and get usually the same day. I'll run over to Best Buy and pick up one of the Insignia cases.